Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. And hey, we are here in our new Gourmet Fishing studio, also known as Abaco's Bar and Grill. And today we're going to take some shrimp, some pasta, and we're going to create a great, simple, delicious dish. Shrimp scampi. I'm going to serve that over some fettuccine noodles. Hey, we've got everything we need right here. So let's go ahead and get started on our shrimp scampi right now. Let's go ahead and get started on our shrimp scampi over linguini noodles. We got everything we need right down here. We've got some shrimp. We've got, I'm guessing maybe 8 to 10. I can't remember exactly how many I counted out. And we've got about half of those tails taken off, and they're all have been shelled, peeled, however you want to call it. And over here, we've got a clove of garlic that's been minced up. We've got one purple, check this out, one purple cayenne pepper. Check that little guy out right there. Man, yum, yum, yum. If you don't have purple cayennes, which you probably don't unless you can find some heirloom seeds, anyway, any kind of pepper will work, no big deal. Now right here we got some chopped up peeled tomatoes. We got oregano, salt, and pepper. We got some butter right there. It's about 2 tablespoons. We got it kind of diced up. Then we got some chopped parsley, a little bit of chopped basil, little lime zest. Is supposed to have lemon, but guess who did not pick that up today? So we're going with a different citrus. We're going to use lime zest here, and we've got some lime cubes, and then right here we got some beautiful Parmesan cheese. Then we've got some parsley right over here for later on as we finish our dish. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and get ourselves started up just like so with some olive oil in our pan. I'm going to turn that up just a tad. She's starting to do the little shimmer dance that I like, and we're going to come over and we're going to put our shrimp in, and we're going to quickly sear these. Try not to cook them all the way through, and then from there we'll begin creating our sauce. All right, I tell you what, we're going to start giving these a quick little flip, and check that guy out right there. We got ourselves a nice little centerpiece jumbo shrimp for when we're finishing and plating. So we're going to come in here and just give these a nice little flip. All right, I tell you what, it's been, I would say, maybe 90 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to take our shrimp, get them out of the pan, and then we will begin to get our sauce going. All right, there we go, just like that. Come over, and I guess, you know what, we'll hide those back behind the parsley. We're going to continue with our pan, our olive oil, and our little, what do you want to call that? Our little drippings or flavor from our shrimp. We're going to come in here and we're going to toss in that 1 clove of garlic and get it cooking. Again, it's probably going to, if you smell it, it's almost done, but we're going to give that probably another 15-20 seconds to get going, just like that. Do not want to brown it. Kind of gets a little bitter. Now we're going to come in just like this. We're going to drop in our peppers. Now this is just for a single serving. I'm hungry. Lunch is right here, so we're going to continue on with this. Now I didn't include all the seeds from the cayenne, but again, that's going to be up to you on the heat. Excuse me. Speaking of the heat, I hope this isn't too hot. But anyway, I got a little dose of that in the nostrils. Now I'm going to come in here with, I don't know, maybe 2 tablespoons, or, you know, the heck with it, about 2 tablespoons, excuse me, of our peeled and diced tomatoes. Oh man, check that, looking good. Yes, sirree. Right, now I'm going to come in here. We got our salt and pepper and our oregano. We got about maybe 2 teaspoons of our oregano. Salt and pepper is kind of to your taste. So come in here with that. And then we're going to come in with our oregano, just like so. Keep that over here in case we need to add a little bit more seasonings here in a few minutes. Get this all combined. I tell you what, they're starting to get themselves nice and cooked. And what I forgot, need a little sherry, a little dry sherry when it come in. Probably a 1/4 cup or so. Let's just see how that's going to work out. Oh yeah, we get a little. No, thought we might get a little, a little flame there. So we're going to come in just like so. It does smell good, yes sirree. It does, just like that. We'll come in here, we turn that up just a tad, and we get all these flavors cooked together. Knock all those little bits that could be on the bottom, get those off the bottom of your pan, and then we're going to reduce this down by about half, maybe even 2/3. Oh wow, I'll tell you what, that is reduced nicely. That's a little more than 2/3, but hey, that's going to work out because we're going to come over here. We got some butter, a couple of tablespoons of butter. We're going to come in here. We're going to melt that down just like so. Oh man, the smells are unbelievable in the good way. Oh wow, that is looking good right there. And I'm going to come in with some chopped parsley, just like so. I'm going to come in here with some sweet basil we just pulled out of the little herb garden I got going on over there. And I tell you what, we are close to being done. Oh wow, unbelievable smells. Again, good smells, not bad ones. Got a little bit of lime zest. Again, generally, I usually use lemon, but the old mind up here forgot all about getting a lemon. Got everything else. Now we're going to come in. You know what? I'm probably going to use a half of a lime. Just like that. So we got our sherry and our lime juice. Gonna make this unbelievably delicious. So just like that. I'm gonna come back in with our shrimp. Drop those in, and we are almost done. Oh, give that a good toss, just like so. Heat these shrimp back up. Now we got a single serving of our pasta along with just a tad of the pasta water, which will help it thicken up just a tad. Oh man, wow, check that out. Yes sirree. While we are finishing the dish off, we're going to come in here, we're going to add a little bit of this fresh Parmesan, just like that. I don't know. Depends on how much you like it. Use, I don't know what was, it doesn't matter. Use what you like. So, just like that. And we're going to come over, just like so. Move some of this out of the way. You get out of here. Clean up, just like that, and we're going to come in and give ourselves a beautiful plate of our shrimp scampi served over our linguini noodles. Boom, just like that. Now we got our little shrimp sitting right here. What are we going to do? Let's see here. So I don't know. Well, there we are. You know what? A little bit of basil. I forgot about that guy. Come in here just like so. Boom. Come in with our jumbo shrimp. Push that guy right behind him maybe. Just like that. And a little bit more of our parsley. I don't know why he's not working. That's okay. But there it is. Check that out. Unbelievably quick and simple. Boom. Just like that. You know what? We'll add a little bit more like this. And you know what? Just for plating purposes, we'll toss that little purple cayenne right there. I tell you what, man. Boom. Simple, quick, easy. Shrimp scampi served over linguini noodles. Man, that looks good. There you go. Shrimp scampi served over linguini noodles. Simple, quick, easy, delicious. Hey, right down there, we got another dish, another pasta dish, lobster diablo. Unbelievable. And then right there, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Like, comment, and subscribe. It all does help. And until next time, God bless. We'll see y'all soon.